my bus. I mean, just let me and fuck off.
This 7-year-old was forced off his bus and left completely stranded. Terrified and lost, he rang a stranger's doorbell.
That's his mom. My bus driver just left me out here.
With tears streaming down his face, pleading for help.
What happened?
Luckily, a neighbor had returned home just 2 minutes earlier and was there to answer.
Come in. I'll call Mom, okay?
Even while crying and lost, his first thought was,
But I don't want my mom to worry about me.
this brave little boy did exactly what he was taught, and thanks to a kind neighbor, he was reunited with his family.